Hey, budget travelers! Today, I'm taking you on a quick tour of Providence, Rhode Island, filled with budget-friendly activities and experiences. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, don't miss WaterFire. This iconic art installation lights up the rivers of downtown Providence with mesmerizing bonfires. Many events are free or low cost, especially on community nights. Next, head over to Roger Williams Park. With its beautiful gardens, walking paths, and a serene lake, it's perfect for a picnic or a leisurely stroll. Book lovers, you'll adore the Providence Athenaeum. This historic library has stunning architecture and a vast collection of books. And guess what? Admission is free. Wander through Federal Hill, a lively neighborhood known for its Italian-American heritage. Enjoy free or inexpensive cultural experiences as you explore. For history buffs, the Benefit Street Historic District is a must-see. Stroll down this mile-long street to admire well-preserved colonial and Victorian buildings. Art enthusiasts, the RISD Museum offers free admission to its extensive collection, perfect for a budget-friendly art fix. Enjoy a scenic walk along the Providence River Walk. It's a great way to see the city and enjoy the outdoors. Or visit the Governor Stephen Hopkins House for a dose of early Providence history. Love the outdoors? Check out the East Bay Bike Path. This 14.5-mile trail from Providence to Bristol offers beautiful views of Narragansett Bay, perfect for biking, walking, or running. India Point Park and Blackstone Park are also fantastic spots for outdoor relaxation and nature walks. For a touch of culture, look for discounted tickets at the Providence Performing Arts Center, or catch an affordable show at Theater by the Sea. Don't forget to check out local festivals like the PVD Fest for free entertainment. Now, on to food. Iggy's Doughboys and Chowder House is a must for delicious and affordable seafood. Olga's Cup and Saucer offers tasty, budget-friendly sandwiches and coffee. And for a more refined experience, Cafe Nuovo and Nick's on Broadway have you covered. Need a place to stay? Budget hotels like Motel 6, Providence, and Super 8 by Wyndham Providence are great options. Or look for affordable Airbnb rooms or even camping spots nearby. There you have it. Providence is packed with budget-friendly fun, so start planning your trip today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more budget travel tips. Happy travels!